Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 8. Your today's topic is Chapter 2, Lesson 4, 5, 6. It is written here, you can see this is lesson chapter 2, lesson 4, 5 and 6, and it is lecture number 8 and HW number 7. Now dear students, come to your lesson. Chapter 2, lesson 4 is about zakat and lesson 5 is about Hajj. Lesson 6 is about the farz of Hajj. Now we will discuss about the significance of zakat first. Zakat is to maintain economic balance in the society. Islam has made zakat obligatory for the rich to ensure economic balance among all classes of people. The Holy Prophet ﷺ says, Allah the Omnipotent has made sadaqah or zakat first for people that will be collected from the rich and distributed among the destitute. Bukhari and Muslims. Allah has made zakat compulsory to characterize man with human qualities like kindness, affection, care, love, etc., and to keep their minds free and pure from their wealth, greed and misery, self-love, etc. Zakat maintains the economic balance in the society. The wealth will be pure if the rights of the poor are released. Otherwise, the wealth is not to be halal. Capitalism is not supported in Islamic economy. As per direction from the Holy Quran and Hadith, the Muslims have holy duties to perform and distribute zakat, to give the monetary help to the people, to the poor is a humanitarian duty which can only be materialized through performing zakat. So the above discussion is about the economic importance of zakat. Now some social importance of zakat. I am saying that zakat removes distribution between the rich and the poor in the society. That means zakat removes the discrimination from the society. A lot of public benefits and welfare can be done even after meeting the needs of the poor. It is possible to make many poor people economically independent through the fund of zakat. And another point is that the zakat system in Islam keeps the society sound from miserliness, narrowness, self-centeredness, malice, and etc. Okay, zakat strengthens mutual love, sacrifice, and growing feeling for humanity. So these are the social impact of zakat. Now come to the next lesson. Next lesson is about Hajj. You know, Hajj is an Arabic word. It is mean determined to wish. In Islamic terminology, zakat means to perform some formalities in the holy Kaaba and certain other places in appropriate ways on some particular days in order to earn the nearness and satisfaction of Allah the Omnipotent. It is an important economic and physical ibadat. Allah the Gracious says it is compulsory, bounden duty of the able human beings to visit and perform Hajj in the holy Kaaba for the cause of Allah. This is mentioned in Surah Al-Imran, verse number 97. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about Hajj, "Man hajjallahi falam yarfus walam yufsaqu raja'a kayawmin waladathu ummuhu," meaning the person Haji who did not commit any indecent deeds, involved in any activity disliked by Allah, coming to visit Baitullah, return home being holy, free from vices and sins with the same innocence when he or she had been born from the mother's womb, mentioned in Bukhari and Muslims, one of the famous hadith book. The Hajj is the fifth pillar of Islam. It is the greatest congregation of the Muslims world. So the significance of Hajj is vast in Islam. You can say it also by this all the thing, you can say these things also, how much significance of Hajj are here. Now come to the next lesson. This is of course lesson number 6, the farz of Hajj. Here are 3 farzes of Hajj and 7 wajibs of Hajj, and there are many more sunnats of Hajj. Okay, now come the farzes of Hajj. To put on ihram intentionally, to stay in the field of Arafat. Number 2. Now, number 3, to conduct arrival tawaf. These are the phases of Hajj. Now, 7 wajibs of Hajj are here. There are 7 activities. These are compulsory, means wajib. To stay in Muzdalifah on the way back from Arafah. Number 2, to run in the middle of the Safa and Marwa. Number 3, to throw stone at shaitan. Number 4, to accomplish departure tawaf. Number 5, to have a head shave or haircut. Number 6, to perform kurbani. 7, to perform dam. These all are the wajibs of Hajj. Now there are so many sunnats of Hajj done by our Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. From there I have given here 8, in your book here 10. You can learn it from the book. I will say this: to perform tawaf kudum. These are the sunnat of Hajj. Number 2, to start tawaf from Hajar Aswad. To start for Arafat from Mina after sunrise on the 9th of Zilhaj. Number 4, to take a shower at Arafat if it is possible. Number 5, to have a shower before wearing ihram. Number 6, to start for Mina after passing the night at Muzdalifah and taking the first prayer before the sunrise. Number 7, to pass night at Mina so as to throw stones on the 11th and 12th of Zilhaj. Number 8, to throw stones on the 11th, 12th and 13th of Zilhaj. This is consecutively. Now this is the HW number 7, the farz of Hajj. These are the farz of Hajj. You have to do the HW farz of Hajj from here. My dear students, I hope that you have understood today's lesson and do the HW accordingly here. If you have any question, you can ask me in live class. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.